Hello, and welcome to Typing for Beginners course. Today I will be taking you through the course just to make sure you can access everything with ease. As you can see currently, this is the home page, so when you log into the course, the first thing you will see is the home page. On the banner, of course, I welcome you, saying welcome to Typing for Beginners. So let's get started. First, go down to welcome. Here you will find a brief message from myself and a picture so you can get a visual of how I look like. You can read this at your own time when you have a chance. Next, go to course overview, which is over here on the sidebar. Here you will find what the course is about, and the learning objectives that I have listed are some of the goals that I am hoping that we can accomplish throughout the semester. After you get done reading this, let's head on over to the instructional materials. Here, you will find different folders. Currently, you have access to see all of them, but when the course actually starts, I will only allow you to see the first folder and give you time to do that. When the deadline approaches, I will then close that folder and open up the next folder for you to begin working on your next assignment. If you would like to have more time, or if you'd like to speed ahead on assignments and get everything done, then you can email me and I can open up the lessons for you to work ahead of others if you would like. So let's go ahead and click the folder that mentions Begin Here. In this folder, you will find a couple assignments. The first assignment is called Introduction to Keyboarding. Let's go ahead and click it. You are led. Here you are introduced into a video that will give you a brief explanation of what keyboarding is about. Let's head on back. Next assignment is, what is your WPM? WPM stands for words per minute. This is a quick test that you will have to take, and this is only because I want to see where you are as far as typing. Let's go ahead and click the link. And as you can see here, you are taken to another website. Here, as soon as you start beginning to type the sentence is when it starts. So for example, I will begin now. I will stop here. As you can see, once you press space, you cannot go back, so you cannot fix your mistake after this. I would like for you to continue this all the way until the time runs out. When the time runs out, you will get a notice saying either you're an octopus, which means that you type a lot, like you type really fast. So with this, I want you to screenshot what you made and upload the screenshot into the assignment submission. This will give me a better understanding of where you are as far as typing and the errors you make per minute and your accuracy and stuff like that. The timer is about to run down, so I want you to see what it's going to say. The timer has run out. Is it gonna show? I guess not. Okay, well that was a fail. Okay, so since that didn't actually work out the way I was hoping it would, we are going to retake this so that you can see what it should look like. So just follow along. I'm gonna quickly go through this and then I'm gonna bring back the recording so you can see what it should look like. Okay, so I have taken the test now, and as you can see, I gotten my score. This was just a quick run through. That's all I need, and I just need you to screenshot what you get. On here, I can see that the speed was 67 words per minute, and my accuracy was 100%. So, once you get this, just screenshot it away and upload it into your Blackboard. After you have done this, go back to the folder, and I would like for you to go to the next assignment. This is a discussion post in which I would like for you to describe your typing experience. Doesn't have to be a certain amount of length, just a good paragraph describing if you've already learned typing, how you feel about typing, are you comfortable with it, and things like that. Once you're done, just respond to 2 peers. Let's go back to the welcome. Well, the instructional material. My apologies. After you've done with your begin here assignments, the next week when I open up the next assignments will be lesson 1. This is where we're going to begin your assignments for typing. Click lesson 1. Here you can see 2 folders, the assignments and the assessments. First, you're going to do the assignments. The assignment I have here is we're going to begin by learning the home row. So click on it and follow the link. As you can see, I have already began to do a lot of the assignments. So you're going to continue and do all these lessons. And on the assignment, I tell you which one to follow. I think you do all the way until the 23rd lesson. So after you do the 23rd lesson, I would like for you to also screenshot and send me a completion that you have completed the assignment. After you're done with that, we're going to go to your assessments. With your assessments, we're going to go take a test. This test, when you click begin, it will give you a link. And just drag it to another. It's going to lead you to this web page. Here you're going to choose the 1 minute, and it's only going to quiz you for a whole minute on the home row keys once you've learned all the lessons and done all that. Again, when you're done, just please screenshot what you made on the quiz and just upload it here by browsing on my computer and upload it. And that's the first part of the exam. Next, the next assessment is I'm going to have you do a survey. Here I'm going to ask you how comfortable you feel with learning specific keys. So the first question is like, how comfortable are you with knowing where the letters F and J are? You're going to respond with very comfortable, comfortable, slightly comfortable, or not comfortable at all. If I see that you are just slightly comfortable or not comfortable, then I'm going to email you real quick and figure out more ways that we can make you more comfortable with learning where the keys are. I want to make sure that you get everything you possibly can out of this course. So this is why I use a survey, just to make sure that you're at an okay location with the assignments that have been given. So let's continue on with the instructional materials. So it is basically the same thing from there on. You do the assignments, you would go on next to the top row, learning the bottom row. Same assessments for those as well. You do the top row test, and then you're going to do the survey for the top row. And that's just for me to know and make sure that you're up to date and comfortable with what you are learning. Towards the end of this course, I will have you do a final. Now, in the beginning, I had you take a test to find out what your words per minute was. At the end, I'm going to have you take the same test to compare where you started to where you are now finished. So it is the same test as far as this one. To submit it as just like the first one, you just screenshot this so I can see how fast you're typing and stuff like that. The last assessment that I'll have you do for your final is just a discussion post. I want you to describe your experience in this course and tell me things that you found valuable when you were learning how to type. And also respond to at least 2 peers. So there's nothing too tough about this course. I'm hoping that you can get with it through a breeze and learn quickly all the keys so that you can type faster and it can help you out in the workforce and everything. So yes, this has been a walkthrough through the course, and I hope that everything is just easy and simple for you to access. If you are having trouble with any links and won't pop up open, please just shoot me an email. My information is on the welcome. I placed my email for you to view. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. And I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I look forward to having you in my class. Thank you very much.